Hello, I'm Rupa Haria. We're here at the Paris Air Show, and for a change, the weather is forecast to be great all week, which is good news for showgoers because there is a whole host of new metal on display here at the show this week. Let's go take a look. The show organisers say there are over 2,300 exhibitors here this week from almost 50 countries. While the chalet lines and the static display continue to be dominated by the big players, there really is an international flavour here at the show. In the defence realm, the undisputed star of the show is the F-35A, which is here on display for the first time at Bourget. Test pilot Billy Flynn is promising a demo flight that will quash the skeptics during his manoeuvres every day at the show. Airbus is attempting to breathe new life into the A380 with proposed new winglets and wing refinements that it's demonstrating here at the show this week. And Boeing, here with the brand new 787-10 and the 737-9 MAX, launched the 737-10 MAX here at the show this Monday. Stay tuned for more in-depth previews throughout the week from the team at Aviation Week.